Hey, this is Paul. I hope you're doing well, and welcome to the Mountain Man Chronicles. I want to thank you for joining today. During the conversation I had with my brother a couple weeks ago, as he's outfitting his F-250 to go do some exploring in California and in Oregon, he's putting a soft topper in the back. He's like, hey, what do you do for showers when you go out overlanding? I'm thinking about getting this shower kit. It reminded me that, hey, I got to do that when I take out the rooftop tent. And I got to have a way to take a shower. One of the nice things about the Mission Overland, it has a shower built in, and it has the ability to do that shower. Well, going overlanding, and I'm going to go off on a rant a little bit here. Going overlanding doesn't mean you always have to buy new equipment or buy different things. There's different ways to do something. I've had many trailers, and this is actually something, the tool I use to shower is something I used all the way back to when I was hunting. I go out in the Jeep. I like to keep things light, and one of the things I want to do is keep it light and small and easy, but I also wanted hot water on demand and be able to use hot water to take a shower next to a creek, and I didn't want to have one of those water bottles you set out in the sun. I wanted something that would use portably and be able to use really well. It's called the Basecamp Outdoor Shower System. Pretty much no bigger than a lunchbox, uses propane, has its own battery source. You don't need to carry around a lot of stuff. It's just two simple hoses, a propane bottle, or you can use your big bottle if you want to, and it's battery operated. So it has its own battery source. It comes with a power supply, so you can run it off of that as well. But it uses like a little 6 amp hour battery, and I've used it for years. I used it for dishes. I used it for taking a shower on the trail. Works really efficiently. I hope you like today's video. And let's dig in further to the Basecamp Shower System.
Welcome to the Mountain Man Chronicles, where the spirit of adventure comes alive. I'm thrilled to have you join our journey into the great outdoors. I'm Paul Piazza. I'm your guide through the wilderness and the storyteller behind the Mountain Man Chronicles. I hope you share in our love and appreciation of what this great world has to offer. Here we live in 3 simple principles: live, learn, and explore. Live, immerse yourself in the thrill of the moment, whether it be overlanding, exploring unique ghost towns, or simply enjoying the serenity of nature. We believe in living life to its fullest. Learn, cultivate that childlike curiosity. Every adventure is an opportunity to learn and discover something new. From overlanding trips to mastering trail navigation, we're a constant journey of learning and growing. Explore. Be comfortable with the uncomfortable. Venture into the unknown. Our chronicles are a testament to the places we've been and the stories waiting to be untold. Join us as we explore the hidden trails to the pristine lakes and the mysterious places this great nation has to offer. And of course, what adventure would be successful without proper planning and the right gear? We'll be showcasing some of the tools of the trade along our journeys. I truly hope you enjoy our chronicles and the journey that my wife and I travel through during our overlanding adventures. Thanks for watching.
The solution I use is the Basecamp Boss system, the Basecamp Outdoor System Boss system. Basically, it has a built-in battery. You can see it's no bigger than a lunchbox. It's really small. It has a built-in battery. Truth be told, today I didn't charge the battery, so it does have pass-through charging, and it comes with an AC connector. So today I'm going to do it off the AC connector, but it has a built-in little 12-volt battery that's inside that's charging now. Uses the green propane bottles, which you see here, and you just have a simple plumbing that will show you how to hook up and put in there. The other things it offers has a spigot, so if you want to use it like over a sink, which I have, you can do that. It has variable water temperature. It also has variable flow. So the little knob here, which we'll get a zoom in earlier as we set it up. So right now we're going to go through the setup of the Basecamp water heater system. This is how I take a shower, also how I have hot water when I do dishes if I'm using the rooftop tent. It's small, as you can tell, no bigger than a lunchbox. Really important, and light, and has a carrying handle. Pretty unique thing. And it's a lot more portable than those things that you have hoses all over the place. So the Basecamp's pretty easy. You have an AC outlet, so when you want to charge it, disconnects to the pump. When you hook up to the pump, it basically allows water to come in and flow out. Let's show you how to do that. All right, to hook it up,
Simply take your orange connector, plug it in here, take your power supply, plug it in here. That's your pump. Basically, you put this in a bucket, pulls water into it. The business end of the Boss has a spigot, so if you want hot water just out of the spigot, you can do that. You can control the flow, which we're going to show you how to do later, and you hook up your shower head here. Basically, it's just a snap-in connector. Now your shower is hooked up if you want to take a shower, or you could use it as a spigot. Pretty easy to use. Propane uses little green propane cans. Simply screw this end in. I actually hooked this to my big white can as well. So you can do either or. I have an adapter that I use to hook it to the big can. And you can see, the unit's pretty compact. You're not carrying around a whole lot. It's got this handy dandy carry handle. Also protects your propane. You screw your propane bottle in here, which we'll do later because we're in the garage, so I'm not going to do that right now. And you're good to go. And I'll show you full setup here next. So you can see there, you hear it starting. You can see here, burner light's on. It has an overheat light and a charging light. Right now, charging light's on because I'm charging it. The burner's on and it's cranking. And in about 2 minutes, we'll have hot water or less. And you can feel some heat coming out from it. Up and we're starting. You'll see after I've done setting it up now, you have your intake hose here, your two powers. One of them powers the pump. The other one is unfortunately charging right now because I forgot to charge it. You hook up your gas here. You have your external point here. And then if you turn it on, you can hear that it's firing up. The clicking meant that it was burning. It has, so that means that we're fired up and we're starting. And it's already starting to get warm. It's warm that fast because all it does is use the heating coil inside. And I can regulate the heat. Right now I have it on max heat. So it's probably, right now, probably about 100 degrees. And if I slow down the flow, which I can restrict it, it'll slow it down. It'll get hot faster. Also, you have a variable temperature on the top, which I can lower the temperature to just like a lukewarm, which it is right now. So you have several different options what you could do here. So right now I'm going to lower the flow to low. And you can hear the motor slow down and turn the temperature up. And that's going to be the max heat you could do. And you can see even at low, you have pretty good flow. And then as it goes and it gets hotter, and then if I go the opposite way, I can increase it. Now it's getting hot. So now it's getting really hot and too hot. So you see here, you can adjust things to go. So I usually keep the flow in the middle and the temperature the most. And you can see you have a nice shower. And again, it's portable, it's small, it works really well. So this is the Basecamp outdoor shower. It runs on the green cans. I also have a little propane bottle that I use in my trailer. So you can do either one. You don't have to carry on a big white thing with miles of hoses if you don't want to. I do have hose extensions for this because it uses a simple clip. So I have a hose extension that I can do to add more to it. What I love about it is everything fits in this little bag. All utilities. The box is really small and light. Can run on green cans. And it works really well. And it's battery operated, so I don't have to carry a power supply. If I want to go down by a river, I can literally set this by a river and take a shower by a river if I wanted to. So the Basecamp outdoor shower system, Boss outdoor shower system, works really, really well. I highly recommend it for people to use. I want to thank you for watching Mountain Man Chronicles. I want to remind you to live, learn, and explore. We'll see you next time.